YouTube, the second part of this break. Let's do it whip style here. Yeah, if I can get the thing to work. I got one nice hit, nice patch, early to set the third, and it goes to Joe the Card King again. That boy's getting hits left and right. He got a nice patch, a nice Dynasty one with Joe Montana and that in it. Trying to get everybody hits here. This is the last of it coming up here. And I'll do a recap while it hits there and tell you the numbers of them. Oh, this last one don't want to open very well. I wonder if it's got a killer hit in it. Alright, let's see. Space. Oh, here we go. Here's a Generations of Michael Strahan and Reggie White. That'll have to be, and maybe not. Will it have to be randomized? I don't know. I'll find out. Dummy card. Space. Oh, nope. Here's another hit here. Century Stars, Brett Favre for the Packers. Space. Next group, dummy card right off the top, yeah. Let's see. Base. Dummy card, base. We got us another rookie for the Eagles, and that's Jed Collins. Base. Alright, dummy card base. Oh, got a Gridiron King of Mario Manningham. We know who that goes to, the Giants. Gee, where's all of our hits at? Base. Oh, Century Legends of Reggie White for the Packers. Dummy card. Base. Oh. Century Stars of Larry Johnson for the Chiefs. Base. Gee whiz, where are these hits? Oh, here's one right here. Here's a Rashard Mendenhall Gridiron Kings dual jersey. See the jerseys? Alright, let's see what we get here. Oh, there's our auto. Our auto is for the Buccaneers, Corey Boyd. Dummy card, base. Okay, let's see the hits here. We got the Century Stars of Larry Johnson, and that is the Chiefs. Who got the Chiefs? Dean Tap. And that is not numbered. Got Corey Boyd for the Buccaneers. Dean Tap again. That's rookie auto number to 299. See if you can see that. Good hit there. Then we got the one from the Bills for Rashard Mendenhall. Who got the Bill? Well, of course, Joe Card King. Good. Congratulations, that's number 250. You are just hitting them. Here's the Century Legends of Reggie White. That is not numbered. But who had the Packers? Easy E. Mario Manningham for the Giants. Oh, that's mine. It's not numbered. The rookie for the Eagles. Oh, that's mine. Jed Collins. And that is number to 100. Wow. Century Stars for the Packers. That goes to Easy E. And that's not numbered. Then we got the Generations, go Packers and Giants. Easy E, I'm giving that to you because I don't want to randomize it, and that was mine too. And this goes to Joe the Card King. Check out that nasty patch of early December 3rd. And that's numbered 21 to 25. Dang, what a hit. And we got Bruce Davis for the Steelers. Who got the Steelers? Oh, right, Moa. That's yours, and that's number 999. Then we got this rookie for the Patriots, Jared Mayo. And that goes to Joe the Card King. That's number to 250. And we got the Bills Dynasty, and that goes to Joe the Card King too, and that's not numbered. And we got Larry Fitzgerald. It looks like I don't know, it's numbered to 250. It's like the hollow foil type. So who got the Cardinals? Joe the Card King. Saints Gridiron Kings. Who got that for the Saints? Oh, Dean Tapp. Xavier Adibi, I don't remember who he goes to, but whoever he went to, congratulations. Then we got Lee Evans for the Bills, and that goes to Joe the Card King, and that's numbered to 250. This is Willis McGahee for the Ravens, so who got the Ravens? That goes to Wright Moa, and that's numbered to 250. And we know who got this. Early Lucette the Third, who went to the Cardinals. And that's not numbered. And that goes to Joe the Card King. So I'll figure out who the Xavier Adibi went to. I have no clue. But I'll know by the time I'm done with this. Alright? Thanks. Peace.